Hello art students, this is Mrs. Brand here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a basic digital portfolio of one of your photography assignments. The first thing that we're going to do is start in our photography class folder in our Google Drive. We're going to use Google Slides to create this simple digital portfolio. So I need to first say New and then Google Slides. When you're creating this digital portfolio, you want to make sure that you're using a simple background that's either white, black, or gray. If you use something that's different colors, it's going to distract from your photography. I'm going to keep mine white. On the title slide, you should add the name of your portfolio and then also your name below. That way, whoever views this digital portfolio knows that you took the photographs and they know a little bit about what the photographs are. When you click on the word Untitled Presentation, it automatically defaults to whatever your title slide says. The next thing we're going to do is press the arrow next to the New Slide Layout button, and I'm going to choose a blank slide. Now I'm going to go into my album with my Soulard pictures. The first one I want to include is right here, and if I control click on it, I get an option that says copy. I can click back on the tab that is my slideshow. I can control click on the slide and say paste. It should paste it to where it fills up as much of the frame as possible. When you click and drag on the photo, you'll notice some red guides. These guides show you when your photo is centered. If you want to resize your photo, you must grab a corner. Do not grab one of the nodes on the side or on the top or bottom. Always grab the corner. When you grab the corner, the proportions of your image are constrained so that nothing gets distorted. So remember that, always grab the corner. I'm going to add about 5 pictures to my portfolio. So I'm going to do another blank slide. And I'm going to go back to my album. And then I'm going to continue to copy my images and paste them onto my blank slides. If you want, you can add borders to your pictures. Again, you should keep them a neutral color. So with this picture, I'm noticing that the white in this top left corner is blending in with the white of the background slide. So I'm going to add a 2-point border, and I think I like this gray color. If you do that to one image, you should probably do it to the others as well. And you must have the image on the slide selected in order to get the option for the border. I have 3 images in my portfolio. I'm going to add 2 more, but these 2 are going to come from a different album. Center it, add my border, Now my last image is going to be vertical. And when you have a vertical image, it doesn't take up as much of the space because the slideshow is going to be formatted for a rectangular display. So you'll have a little bit of space. If you want, you can add a text box next to one of your vertical images, and you can also rearrange the order of your pictures. So I think I'm going to take this slide, slide 6, and I'm going to move it to underneath the title slide. And then I'm going to scoot my picture over, keeping it centered top to bottom. That's why that red line is there. And then I'm going to add in a text box to say a little bit about my pictures. If I start typing text in here, I should make sure that it is the same font and color as my title slide. My title slide uses Arial for the main title as well as for my name. And I'm going to do it a size that people will be able to read easily on their screen. And I think this looks good, but I think my last part I'm going to center. So now I have 6 slides, 5 of them are images, 1 is a title slide, and 1 tells a little bit about my project. And now I need to turn this into a URL that I can share out easily with people. The way you do that is by saying publish to the web. So I'm going to go to File, Publish to the web. In here you get several options. You can have it set to advance the slideshow automatically, restart the slideshow after the last slide, or you can just not check any of it and let the viewer go through by pressing their arrow keys. When you say publish, you get a URL link, and you can press Command C to copy it. Now, I want to make this so that it's easier for people to find, so I'm going to make this URL shorter using a website called tinyurl. So, when you go to tinyurl.com, you get this first box that says enter your long URL. And I'm just doing a Command V to put it in there. And then below it, you can make that URL custom. So my custom name is going to be a walk around Soulard, and then my first initial and last name. And then I'm going to click Make Tiny. It says that it was created, and I can click this button that says Copy to Clipboard. Now if I click a new tab and I Command V to paste, I have a simple digital portfolio of my images to share with whoever I would like. Thank you.